one is retreated, and then the other will retreat, and the other will advance. They're trying to avoid a fight.
Maybe it is territorial.
Yeah.
Because this time is a very for their mating season.
Yeah.
The two birds, blackbirds, are fighting. Look at that. Look at guys, they're down there. Look at that. Oh, they're fighting. I said maybe my husband called me that there are two birds fighting, and now I took a video, and there's a dove. The dove is the ripiri. someone is came. The dove came. Maybe she's the one will look at the two birds. Oh. Maybe it is because this time is mating season for the birds. Maybe it is
Spring.
yeah, springtime. Yeah, and maybe it is territorial fight. Look at that. You can see their body language. The other one says, "Come on, if you are very brave, fight with me." Look at that. Ayun na yung isa. Hindi ba klaro masyado? Where's the dove? The dove is there under that bench. Look at that, guys. Dove is there picking something to eat. Look at that. So we have many birds here. Look. Where are the two? That one. There are two. Fighting again.
Are they really fighting?
Yeah. The dove. Do not move. Look at that. They're fighting again. Look at that. This one is very aggressive. This left side. They are you can see their body language. The other one showing that he is the brave one. But when the other one attacked him, she will hide. Hide under that sack, that pile of sacks. Look at that. Look, guys, you can observe the attitude of birds. What is that, love?
A big item on the
Look, they fight again. Look, what are they fighting for? Oh, come on, he said. See, guys, good morning. I took a video for you. There are two birds here, blackbirds. They call it here a starling. Starling, is that a starling, love? They have a fight. Look. That one. She's there. They are here because we have many fruits here. The fruits of that olive trees. Look at that. He is. The birds is eating. Sorry. So, where's the other one? It's funny, huh? Where's the other one? So it's only a short video. Where's the other one? Oh, look, love, the other car. There's another one car. Oh.
He's having to reverse up.
Reverse up because they do not know that there is someone is fixing the road there over there down. Oh,
How annoying for them.
there over there. There's someone is fixing the road. They do not know that the road is blocked. So thank you for watching a short video for you about the birds that so don't forget to subscribe my channel and likes and comments, and don't forget the bell button. Thank you. Ingat kayo dyan. Don't skip my ads, please. Pahabol pa.